13 pro tips and tricks to improve your IELTS writing score quickly. Hi everyone, are you ready to take your IELTS writing skills to the next level? Whether you're preparing for the academic or general training test, today I'm sharing proven strategies to help you improve your writing, write with confidence, and score higher. Let's get started. Understand the question. First things first, always read the question carefully. Underline the key words and phrases to make sure you understand what's being asked. Pro tip, identify the task type. Is it a discussion, an opinion essay, or a solution-based question? Knowing this will help you structure your response effectively. Plan your essay. Before you start writing, take a few minutes to plan. Create a quick outline with your main points and supporting details for each paragraph. Follow a structured format: introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusion. This ensures your ideas are organized and easy to follow. Practice writing regularly. Practice makes perfect. Write essays on a variety of topics to become familiar with different question types. Simulate test conditions by practicing under time settings. This will improve your time management and help you stay calm during the real exam. Learn from examples. Study high-scoring sample essays. Pay attention to how they're structured, their vocabulary use, and how they address the question. Pro tip, don't just read, analyze. Identify effective strategies in these essays and practice incorporating them into your writing. Expand your vocabulary. A strong vocabulary is key to high scores. Make it a habit to learn new words daily, especially those related to common IELTS topics. But here's the catch, don't just memorize words. Practice using them in your essays to ensure you're applying them correctly. Use proper grammar and sentence structure. Grammar matters. Focus on accuracy with verb tenses, subject-verb agreement, and punctuation. Vary your sentence structure with a mix of simple, compound, and complex sentences. This shows the examiner your range and keeps your writing engaging. Manage your time effectively. Time management is crucial during the exam. Spend the first few minutes planning, then write your essay, and leave a couple of minutes at the end for proofreading. Pro tip, practice timing your essays regularly to ensure you're staying on track. Get feedback. Feedback is a game changer. Share your essays with teachers, tutors, or even friends to get constructive criticism. Act on the feedback to identify weaknesses and improve. The more you refine your writing, the closer you'll get to your target band score. Before we wrap up, here are some quick pro tips. Practice task 1 and task 2 equally. They both contribute to your overall score. Avoid repetition. Use synonyms to showcase a wider vocabulary. Stay on topic. Every sentence should contribute to answering the question. Use linking words like however, in addition, and therefore to enhance coherence. Don't forget to proofread for spelling, grammar, and punctuation errors. By consistently applying these strategies, you'll see significant improvement in your IELTS writing skills. Remember, practice and persistence are key to success. For official IELTS practice tests, visit our website at www.ieltsworld.com. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found these tips, tricks, and strategies helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the IELTS Worldly YouTube channel, and turn on notifications for more IELTS tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what IELTS topics you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy studying!